Hello everyone. So today in this session, as we have said earlier, that we are going to discuss about that how do we organize the image data that we capture or that we gather from the multiband images. So multiband images are basically those images which are composed of more than two bands like green, blue, red, NIR, etc. So how do we organize the data for these images? There are basically three formats in which we organize the data for the multiband images. That is BIL, BIP and BSQ. BIL means band interleaved by line format. BIP means band interleaved by pixel format. And BSQ means band sequential format. So now we are going to look upon these formats one by one, and we will also try to understand these formats with the help of some images. First of all, BIL or band interleaved by line format. In this type of format, we store line data one by one. Like we have an image which is composed of three bands, red, green and blue. So in band interleaved by line format, what we will do, first of all, we will store the first line of the first band. Okay. Then after that, we will store the first line of the second band. And after that, we will store the first whole line of the third band. Like this, when our bands are finished, then we will continue again from the first band. But this time, we will save the second line of the first band, then second line of the second band, and then second line of the third band, and so on. After that, this process will be repeated until and unless all the lines of the whole bands is saved. So in band interleaved by line format, bands are interleaved by line data which store pixel information band by band for each line or row of the image. We can either save the information row by row or column by column. As you can see, there is a figure which is showing that first we have saved first line of the red band, then first line of the green band, and then first line of the blue band. Now we will move on to BIP or band interleaved by the pixel format. Unlike BIL, in band interleaved by pixel format, we save the data pixel by pixel. Like in band interleaved by line format, what we were doing, we were saving the whole first line of the first band, and then the whole first line of the second band, and then the whole first line of the third band. But it is not the matter with the band interleaved by pixel format. In band interleaved by pixel format, what do we do? First of all, we save the first pixel of the first line of the first band. Suppose our first band in the multi-band images is red, then we will save the data for the first pixel of the first line of the red band. Then suppose our second band is green, then we will save the data for the first pixel of the first line of the green band. And then we will repeat this process one by one till all the pixels in all the lines of all the bands is covered. So here is an image in which you can see what we have done. First of all, we have saved first pixel of the band 1, then first pixel of the band 2, green band that is, then first pixel of the band 3, that is blue band. Then we have saved first pixel of the second pixel of the first band, then second pixel of the second band, then second pixel of the third band. So in BIL, that is band interleaved by line format, where we were saving our data line by line, we save our data pixel by pixel in the band interleaved by pixel format. Now the last format is band sequential format or BSQ. In band sequential format, we do not save the data line by line or pixel by pixel. In band sequential format, we save our data band by band. Like suppose there are three bands which are composing our multiband imagery, that are red, green and blue. So we will take red band as a whole and we will save all the information of the red band. Then we will take a whole green band as one, and then we will save all the information of the green band, and then for the similarly for the third band. So in band sequential format we store information for the image like one band at a time. All these three bands, we will try to understand the differentiation more clearly by the following images. So here is an image. You can see all the formats are seen here or described here clearly. So on the left side you can see an image data which is composed of three bands. First layer is red band, second layer is green band, and third layer is blue band, and each layer is composed of 9 pixels: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So as you can see, the first format shown here is band sequential format or BSQ. So in BSQ, as I have discussed earlier, that we save the information of the whole band as one. So what we have done here in BSQ format, we have saved all the information contained in the red band at first, then full information of the green band, and then full information of the blue band. So this is our band sequential format. Next is band interleaved by line format. As you can see in the image data, the first line of the red band is composed of first, second and third pixel. So in BIL, we have first stored the information for first line of the red band, then similarly for first line of the green band, which is the second layer in the image data, and then similarly for the blue band, which is the third layer in the image data. Now if our when our first line for all the layers is completed, then we have moved on to the second line. As you can see in BIL format, the fourth line is second line of the image data for the red band. So in BIL we have saved the data line by line. Now we will move on to BIP format. In BIP or band interleaved by pixel format, as I have discussed earlier, we save the information one by one. In the image data, as you can see, the first pixel of the first band red is number 1. So in BIP format, we have saved number 1 pixel of the red band, then number 1 pixel of the green band, which is second layer, and then number 1 of the blue band, which is the third layer, and similarly for all the other layers. Here is one more example which will help you to understand all the datas and all the formats. So this is all for today's session. Thank you all.